Dear friends, greetings from Chennai Plastic Surgery and Cosmoglitz. The baldness and hair thinning is a very common problem every men and women undergoing nowadays, and a lot of treatment options are available for correcting these problems, and these procedures are evolving day by day. Though we do hair transplant for the past 6 years, we don't have a separate hair clinic to manage and cater our clients' need. To help our clients, we plan to start a new initiative from Chennai Plastic Surgery and Cosmoglitz to start a separate hair clinic to cater our clients' needs. As I believe in holistic approach, this hair clinic team consists of 4 cosmetic surgeons, 3 cosmetic dermatologists, homeopathy and Uthandi doctors, and well-trained staff nurses and technicians. The problem what our clients are facing nowadays, seeing the false promises and false promising advertisements from the non-medical professional team. The Follicular Unit Extraction and Follicular Unit Transfer, which is like the common hair transplant methods what all over the world they are practicing, it has to be done in an operation theatre setup. The most of the non-medical team advertising in the media, they do it in a room setup. It's very unhygienic and unclean. See, a lot of people coming to us with the complications like infections and infection related complications, and even few deaths are reported because of these infection related complications after the hair transplant done by the non-professional team. And more than that, this team charges exorbitant amount. And in our center, we do hair transplant in a sterile environment in our operation theatre. And even after and before surgical care will be given by our excellent team of doctors. I see baldness as a social problem, so our charges are so much affordable to the common man, unlike other non-medical team charging exorbitant amount for the hair transplant. So select your hair transplant surgeons carefully.
Hi, I'm Dr. Painless, anesthesiologist. I am attached to Chennai Plastic Surgery right from the time of its inception, and I am more than happy to be associated with Chennai Plastic Surgery. Now Chennai Plastic Surgery is providing almost everything, all the cosmetic procedures, non-invasive, non-surgical procedures in a Plaza. And if I can recount, it has been a very rocking relationship with this center right from the time of the beginning. So here in the center, what we ensure is paramount safety of the patient, and next comes the patient's comfort. Then we keep ourselves comfortable. So all in one, we provide the best for the patient. Particularly when you take the hair transplant surgeries, there are 3 things which are very unique. It has demanding hours at work, it takes long hours, and the patient needs to be comfortable throughout. There are centers where it has been done completely under local anesthesia. But here in this center, we always provide a very basal sedation where the patient is comfortable throughout. And at the time of injections, at the beginning of the surgery, they require a lot amount of injections, local anesthesia, local anesthetics injected all over the head and then the face. So that provides a great discomfort to the patient. But then we ensure that the patient is sedated well and they won't feel anything at all. And patients rate their experience as so very pleasant at the end of the day, and the monitoring is so very complete. Patients are really happy, and you have a well coordinated and a well synchronized harmonious team who do a very great job. And I feel that working in this unit gives me immense pleasure, and I'm happy about it. Thank you.
Chennai Plastic Surgery opened its doors in 2012 and is one of the first cosmetic setups in Chennai to combine surgical and non-surgical services under one roof. From the moment our clients enter the reception area to the moment they get discharged, they are thrilled with an enhanced experience. Our standard of service is part of our commitment, and we treat every client like they are our only client. Our highly experienced surgeons, alongside our caring and qualified nurses, will guide you through the preoperative process.
Now that the consultation is over, the patient is taken to the operation theatre for further preparations and the procedure as such. The first step is preparing the local donor area. We do that by trimming the hair closely. After the trimming is completed, a marking is done for the areas from where we take the hair and also to get the final place where the hair implantation is done. After markings, patient is prepared for surgery by washing his head in an antiseptic lotion. The patient is then taken into the operation theatre where he is made comfortable. He is given a mild sedative so that he does not experience any pain. Local anesthesia is given both to the site where the hair is harvested from and also to the site of implantation. The hair is harvested using a follicular unit extraction device. You see the punch going in and bringing out each and individual follicular unit here. The next step is processing of the harvested follicular units by our team of expert hair processing people. You see that the team works with magnification and adequate lighting. The next stage is the implantation of the harvested hair follicles. Patient is again made comfortable, local anesthesia is reinforced and the implantation is started. Implantation is done under sterile conditions with adequate lighting and enough magnification so that the implantation is perfect and the patient gets a real natural looking hairline.
This video and this hair clinic is a socially responsible initiative from Chennai Plastic Surgery and Cosmoglitz. Thank you very much.